Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a Rolex two-tone yellow gold and stainless steel Submariner with an Oyster bracelet. This one with a Serti champagne dial. Serti means set with diamonds. Now, the model reference number for this watch is 16613. This is a watch that was produced from 1988 to 2009. It was on the market for over 20 years, and it's instantly recognizable by many due to its length of production. Now, the current market price on this watch is about $12,000 US in 2022. So I'll be going over the aspects of this watch: the case, the bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the bracelet, and I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. This Rolex Submariner is a full-size 40mm watch from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It is a full-size case, stainless steel case with a screw-down case back for extra water resistance. This case is rated to 1,000 feet of water resistance, so it's okay for you to go swim in with this watch on your wrist or even go diving with it. It is a dive watch. It's going to hold up just fine. Now, the yellow gold bezel here has a blue diving scale insert. Nice clean look to match this champagne diamond dial. I love the contrast. Now, going to the dial, we're looking at this beautiful champagne color dial with diamond hour markers and blue sapphires at the 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 6 o'clock positions. As I said, the name Serti means set with diamonds, so you can see this clearly. This is a diamond dial with sapphires at the 12, 6, and 9 o'clock positions. While the case, the dial does not have any lume, the hour hands and the second hands and the minute hands, they do have lume on them. So you can actually tell time even in low light conditions on this watch. Now you can see the date here at the 3 o'clock position under the Cyclops magnification window. This window magnifies the, about 2.5 times for the original size for easy viewing. Going on to the crown here at the 3 o'clock position, can be wound in its first position once it's unscrewed from the case. 10 to 15 turns to get this watch moving. Second position out. Going to adjust the date. You see here at the 3 o'clock position, I'm cycling through the dates right now. And the third position out, it's going to be able to adjust the hour and minute hands. Once you have those set, you can go ahead and pop down the crown, screw it down, and your watch is set. Going on to the movement that runs this beautiful watch. This movement is a caliber 3135 movement in this watch. It has the hour, minute, date, and center seconds functions. The power reserve on a 3135 is about 48 hours, so you can set this watch down on a Friday night, and maybe Sunday evening it'll probably be, you're going to hope that it's keeping time. Nowadays, with the modern Rolexes, they have up to 72-hour power reserves, so it's quite a bit more time than these previous models with 3135 movement. Now, going on to the bracelet that holds this watch, we're looking at a stainless steel and 18-karat yellow gold Oyster bracelet with a half polish. High polish center links and a satin finish on the outer stainless steel links portions. The bracelet is open and closed with a folding safety clasp. Like so, it's a folding Oyster clasp. Easy on, easy off. Let's try this on my wrist. And that's how it looks. This bracelet also has a diving extension if you decide to wear this watch over the a diving suit if you're actually diving with it. It actually extends this much. Now, as far as what I think about this watch, this is one of those iconic Rolex watches that everyone's seen while growing up. It's a respectable watch in any color. Now, the other colors offered were black or blue dials with index hour markers. Now, if you want diamonds on the dial, it was offered in silver or this champagne color, which I think pops a lot more than the other dials. This particular watch is in minty condition, and it's a beautiful piece. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. Model reference number again is 16613. This is the Rolex Serti Champagne Submariner with two-tone Oyster bracelet. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.